I'm Mickey. In this video, we're going to see how we can use Late, which is a social media scheduling API, to create and schedule our posts on more than 7 platforms. And well, this will allow us to save lots of hours cross-posting on different social media accounts by basically using this tool. Okay, so in this video, we're going to see a quick tutorial on how you can use Late to connect all these platforms and basically save all this time without having to manually create and craft posts on different social media accounts, and also just one API which will allow us to quickly post to these different social media accounts without having actually to either use the official APIs, which are a waste of time, or well, manually doing that. Okay, so the first step will be to create a test account, and we're going to do that right now. So I'm just going to put up some details here, which obviously are not real, but it doesn't matter here. So we are officially on the dashboard. We can see we have the posts tab, we have the connections tab, we have the API keys tab, and we have the users tab. Right now we are on the posts tab, and what this allows us is to create our posts. Here we have this button which allows us to put up our content, upload our media, images, videos, and we can then basically either schedule it, publish it now, or save it as draft. If we schedule it, we can just choose the date that we want and our time zone, and then we can publish it now or just save it as a draft, right? And here all our connected accounts will appear here, but currently obviously we don't have any. And also we have this calendar view, which we'll review later. So in the connections tab, we have the profiles. Okay, what the profiles mean is that each profile will allow us to connect one account for each social media, right? So for example, I'm putting here, I'm creating my personal account, and we will now see all of these accounts which we can connect and start posting on each social media. And then I could create a new profile, and this will allow us to connect a new set of accounts for each one of these social media accounts, right? You can see on the left that we have this usage component. Currently we are on the free plan, but we have this limit of uploads, which are 10 each month. And for profiles, we can have up to 2 profiles, right? So I could create a new second profile, which will allow me to have both personal account and my business account, right? And then on these API keys, I could create a new key that I can use on my code, on my app, to schedule these posts or create these posts automatically from an app. And then we have this users tab, which allows us basically to invite new people to our account, right? So for this video, we're going to connect one account so you can see how this actually works. We're going to connect the next account, which is one of the easiest ones. I can just authorize this app, and you can see right now that it's already connected, right? So right now I could just start creating my posts via API, but just for this video, I'm going to do it here, which is very easy. So I'm typing in some content. I could upload media, but I'm just not going to do it right now because this is an X account. For example, for Instagram, TikTok accounts, obviously we need to upload media. And then I will click on publish now. So if I go to my business account, you can see that I don't have any account, but on my personal account, we see the X account, which we just connected. I'm just going to click on publish now, and you can see here that this was published. I can click here and see the post, and obviously I'm going to delete it. But well, you can see that this was very, very easy to do. I could just go to calendar view, see that we had we did post this post just right now today, and I could have also just scaled the post as we saw before, right? So if I wanted to have 2, 3, 4, 5 X accounts, I could just go to my business or just name it something else and connect a new X account. You can see that, well, if I wanted to have more than 2 profiles, I would need a different plan. And well, our plans are very, very accessible. If you need just as an individual to have multiple profiles, on our most basic plan you have up to 10 profiles and 120 uploads per month. And well, if you need more power, obviously there are the professional, advanced and enterprise accounts, which for the enterprise account you can have up to 250 profiles. So obviously this allows you to have more than this allows you to have 250 social media accounts connected at the same time for the same social media, right? So this is a quick tutorial of Late. You can see here that it's very easy to use, and I encourage you to go here, sign up and test it because it's free.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.